are welcome. I'm happy to come your way again. This is Positive Orientation 1. I want to thank you all that is watching my video over there. Thank you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Yes, I've come again with another topic. And this topic is, what is organic food and its benefits to human body? Today we want to learn what is organic food. Some of us, we don't care what we take into our body. We just put anything into our body. No, it's not supposed to be so. Before you take anything to your body, you have to consider what you are putting into your body. Because your body is so important to you. Our body is so important to us. So you do not put anything into your body, because whatever you put into your body it will show. Is going to become what you don't expect. So for that reason, anything you want to put into your body, you have to consider it. Because what you are eating is like your medicine. Whatever food you are eating is your medicine. That's why we have to be very careful. So today we are going to look what is organic food and its benefit to human body. Now, organic food are food products or items without artificial products. They are food products that are produced with only natural compost. What I'm trying to tell you here is that organic food do not contain chemicals. It do not contain anything like chemicals, but it contains everything that is natural. The only fertilizers that they use in producing organic food is only compost. I hope you know what compost means. That is green manure, a kind of a decomposed plants and animals. That is the only manure which is natural, green manure that they use to produce organic food. So organic food is free from chemicals. It's free from things that are not natural. And these are what the body needs. If you want your body, you want your hormone, your body to function well, the hormones that you are producing, you want them to function well in your body, then you have to take in an organic food. So, having known what organic food is, let us see the benefits of organic food to our body. Number one, organic food contains no pesticide, no herbicide, and no fertilizer. So for that reason, if you are eating organic food, you are eating natural food. It is not going to destroy your body because there are no chemicals in those food. Unlike the processed food, some people, they like to eat processed food. Processed food are so dangerous. They are not so nice to the body because for the first case, you don't know how the food items came about. You don't know. But in organic food, once they plant it, they don't use chemicals, they don't use fertilizers, they don't use pesticide and herbicide. All these are chemicals that can cause a lot of damages to our cells, to our organs in the body. So this is one of the benefits of organic food. Number two, organic food is always very fresh because it does not contain preservatives that make it to last long. Hope you know what preservative is. You have preservatives, you have additives. These are chemicals that they add to processed food to make it, to make it last long, so that the expiry date will take a long time to preserve the food. And these things are not good to our cells. They are not good to our organs. They are not good to the body in general. Some of these preservatives, additives that they add to these food items can cause cancer, can cause all different kind of diseases and sickness. So because it is a natural food, organic food, it does not contain all these preservatives. This is another benefit of organic food. Number 3, because it is organic food that contains no chemical and toxic elements, so it cannot destroy the human body system. It cannot destroy the human body system. Rather, it will make your hormones to be stronger. Because the body produces a lot of hormones for different purposes. But if somebody is not careful, you don't mind what you take into your body, you eat whatever you like, it might reduce the power of your hormones. The hormones that are produced will no longer be strong, will no longer be effective. So these are the reasons why we need to eat healthy food. We need healthy food in our body. It will make our hormones to be strong. Number 4, organically produced animals are not given antibiotics and growth hormones. Remember, most of this husbandry, the animals that they are raising, in most cases, because it is for commercial, they use antibiotics to grow these animals. And you know what antibiotics means to these animals. So that to prevent, just like human beings, we take antibiotics to prevent sickness, diseases of all kinds. So they also give animals antibiotics to make it grow well, not only to make it grow well, but to prevent diseases and sickness. This, just as I said before, antibiotics, most of these antibiotics, when it gets into our body, it can cause a lot of sickness. It can cause cancer. That is why you have a deadly cancer everywhere in the world. This is one of the cause of a high rate of death in the world as we speak now. Cancer, it has no cure. So these are the reasons why we have to be very careful of what we take in. Most of those animals are raised with antibiotics that can damage our body. Number 5, organic food contains a high content of minerals and vitamins. The truth of the matter is, if you are not taking organic food, then you stand a chance of losing a lot of minerals and vitamins, very important vitamins that are present in the food that we are eating. Food that are not organic food, these things are not present. These minerals are not present. These vitamins are not present in those food. So for you to have a lot of to harness the minerals and the vitamins in any food products, you need to eat organic food. And when you are eating organic food, it will show in your body. It will show in your skin. It will show. Because these are the food that is designed for the body. Because when food is not natural, most of the food that we eat are not natural. It has gone under so many processes in the factory. Because normally, for instance, when you want like the flour has gone through a process in the factory that most of the natural substances has been removed. Those things has been removed. That is why it is no longer natural. Most of the vitamins, most of the minerals, most of the natural makeup of vegetables, of fruits, or whatever kind of food items you may think of, once it passes through factory, the ingredients, the natural ingredients that are present in this food has been eliminated. So this is one of the reasons why we need to eat organic food. Organic food makes our body to grow well. It makes every part of our body, our organs, our cell, the body system to grow well. The bones, any part of the body, organic food can build our body. That is why so many people subscribe to whole wheat. That is natural wheat. Natural wheat is very nice to the body. It has not undergone any process, any factory process. So the natural substance that is present in this whole wheat, they are still there. So when you eat it, you can harness every natural substance that is present in that. It can be flour, it can be vegetable, it can be fruits, or it can be grains, especially grains. We have a lot to benefit from grains. Something like beans. We have a lot to benefit from all these food products if you eat it naturally. Well, that is called whole grain. Everything is present in. That's why it is called whole grain. Organic food can improve what is called organic food can cause what is called cardiovascular health diseases. So this is the reason why we need to take organic food. Because if you don't take organic food, you eat whatever you like, there's a possibility that somebody can have what they call cardiovascular health disease. And that is another number one high killing disease in the world today. Cardiovascular health disease. These things is as a result of not eating good food. You take in whatever you see into your body. No. The time will come, that is why so many people now have what is called hypertension. Because the veins in your body, the capillaries in your body that is carrying blood to different parts of the body is now full of fats, and the blood can no longer flow well. And once this happens, anybody that is with this kind of situation or condition will have problem with hypertension. But when you are eating well, you are eating good food, natural food, organic food, it will be difficult for all these things to happen. To avoid cardiovascular health diseases, it is good to eat well. Can prevent cancerous disease. When you are eating well, it will be difficult for you to have cancer. Cancer do not just come like that. It is because of the kind of food that we are eating. All manner of food that people are eating today, most of those food are, they can cause cancer to the body. And we all know that cancer has no cure. So, my people, I want everyone to subscribe to organic food. Though it is a little bit costly, but it is better. It is a little bit costly, fine, but better for our body. If you want to live long, you want to have longevity, then you subscribe. I advise you to subscribe to organic food. Organic food is very good to the body. When you are eating organic food, you will even sense it in your body. You will see the results in your body. It will show in your body. You will live long when you eat organic food. That does not mean sometimes you will not eat any other food that is not organic, but I just want you to know that eating organic food will make your body system to function well. You will avoid much problems. You will avoid much diseases and sickness when you subscribe to eating organic food, because organic food are free from chemicals. Chemicals destroy the human body. Can you imagine in the days of old, our father, our parent, our father, our forefather, our grandmother, our grandfather, they used to live long because the food we have that time was still raw. Food were not polluted. The food were still intact. The food does not, most of those food that our father, our mother were eating, they didn't go under a factory process. So the natural substances are still present in those food items. So when they eat those food, it serves as medicine to the body. And that is why they last long. There was nothing like hypertension. There was nothing like diabetes. There are so many diseases today that you can find everywhere today. You don't have them that time because the food they were eating well. They were eating rightly. But now, what do you have? You have a lot of problems everywhere, sickness, diseases, because our food have been altered. So, my people, thank you so much for listening, and I will come your way again. This is Positive Orientation 1. Please, I want you to subscribe. You can press the notification bell and like my videos. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate you all. God bless you, and I will come until I come your way again. Thank you. Thank you.